Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. Mr. Speaker, for now, the expansion of the services to uh, Fijians is done through our outreach programs. We try and attend major events. We attended at Ngaloa Village, Malaki Sevens, in Rakiraki, the Aluwata Sevens in Levuka, Rovalau. At the HFC Stadium in Suva, Sabsawu Ratu Nganulau House. We attended when they had the Retirement Expo in Suva at the FNPF Plaza, and also the Retirement Expo in Nandi, Banga, even to Ratuma. We're currently located here in Suva at Robertson Road. We have an office in Nandi, in Lotoka, at Rongrongibunda House that is going to move down to 10 Mana Street. It's a much bigger space. It's been fitted out right now. Hopefully we can move there next year. And also we have Sabsabu and Lambasa offices. We have scoped Nakasi, given the densely populated area over there. They do not have to come all the way to Suva. It's a bit difficult to find space for immigration office because we prefer ground floor with enough space to seat at least 50 people so that they can be comfortable while we're serving them. And if I may just add, I know the question is just around Fiji, that we extend services to a diaspora community. During the Fiji Day celebrations, we went out to, in Australia, Northern Territory, Robinvale in Brisbane, Melbourne in Sydney, Port Hedland, Perth, New Zealand, Auckland and Wellington. We even went to Cook Islands, Tuvalu, Samoa and Tonga, where our diaspora to offer our services over there. Thank you, sir.